Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually use Facebook's strategy to increase your sales on Shopify. Now, we all know for a fact that Shopify is one of the biggest platforms in the world at this moment in time when it comes to dropshipping, a global commerce in the true nature, where you can build your business, you can sell online, offline, and everywhere in between, and discover the reasons why millions of entrepreneurs have chosen Shopify to build their business. And the way they sell is quite interesting, and that is exactly what we're gonna look at, because in today's time and age, the world has become a global village, guys, and that literally translates into the fact that social media has taken over the world, and we can use and harness the power of social media to increase our sales and make money and break away from the 9 to 5 and get the financial freedom that we've always been dreaming about, so we can sit back, relax, and see the money roll in. Now, you can clearly see that this is one of those places that you can easily create a store the way that you want, and you can build a storefront the way that you want to, and you can simply use their drag and drop store creator. There's no coding expertise that are required, guys. You can craft the brand that you want and level up with the apps at the same time. You can sell to every buyer everywhere with the best converting checkout on the planet. And more than that, a flexible point of sale to power your retail store from the first touch to the full funnel, reach new leads, engage with customers, and data that you can build on, so you can streamline your back office, oversee your operations, and fulfill your orders and manage your money where you make it. All you need to do is click on this free trial, answer a couple of questions, and you will land on your dashboard. As you can clearly see on the dashboard on the left hand side, you have your home, your orders, your products, your customers, your content, your analytics, marketing, discounts. And then you have your online store, your point of sale, your Facebook and Instagram, and your inbox. Now, your Facebook and Instagram is your social media. You can easily integrate your social media with your Shopify, so whenever you're selling something, it will automatically start selling it on Facebook and Instagram. And setting up shop is free, and it only takes a couple of minutes, and once it's approved, you've added your products to your category, customers will be able to browse your shop and make a purchase. This is a one-stop way to discover everything, and you can advertise your products on Facebook, and that is what we're going to focus on. If you head over to Facebook over here, this is your page. Now, if you see on your page over here, it could be anything. This is what our page looks like, and we're going to use it as an example in today's video. So guys, if you have not subscribed to our page, do subscribe to the page as well. Now, on the left hand side, you'll see that you have your ad center, and you can create ads as well. So we're going to click on create ads. Once you click on create ads, something very unique is going to happen, guys, and that is something that I want to show you and talk to you about, because I personally feel that is one of the most crucial things that you have to keep in mind. If you look on the top over here, it says what results would you like to see from this ad? Automatic, and let Facebook select the most relevant goals based on your settings. Let's say that we want to stick to that, but what happens when we go a one step further? Now, if you want to change anything, you can do that. Let's click on change, and once we click on change, we can see exactly what results we want from this ad. Do we want to get more messages? We want to get more calls? We want to get more visitors? We're going to get more likes, get more leads. So we're going to say, I'm going to get more likes, and just click on saves. So that means that your page is going to be focused on getting more likes. You can click on use a post, and once you do that, you can select the post that you want to use for people to actually come to your page and buy anything. For example, if you want to use this particular post, we can use this post. If you want to use an Instagram post, we can use an Instagram post as well. So there's a lot of options that are available for us to use. Now, one of the things I always mention to individuals is to make sure that they understand different aspect of it. So let's select this post over here. Now, once we select the post, you'll see the description that is available on the post is going to be made available over here, and the picture that we want is made available over here as well. But we want to change the description. Now, this is where it gets really interesting. So let's head over to this platform called ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT is a very interesting platform because we can give it any command and it's going to make something very interesting for us. So we're going to ask ChatGPT to give us a Facebook Facebook ad description for our page and a CTA on iPhones. Now, as you can clearly see, they're going to give us a very interesting element targeting iPhone users, and there's going to be a Facebook ad description and a CTA. So it says, upgrade your iPhone experience with our premium accessories. Our page offers a wide range of high quality cases, chargers, and screen protectors, and more to protect and enhance your device, from sleek and stylish designs to heavy duty protection. It has even added the tags that are available. And shop now and upgrade your iPhone today. So we're going to copy this from here, and once we copy it, we're going to go back to our ad over here, and we're going to delete all this information that we had actually put initially. And then once we delete this information, all we need to do is copy and paste this information over here, and now we're good to go. And after we do that, we're going to scroll down and we're going to check what kind of button we want. We want the like button. That's perfectly fine. And as we scroll down, we're going to check the audience. Now this is very interesting, guys, because you want to make sure that you target your audience in the right way. For example, if you're selling iPhones, you want to make sure that you're selling for males and females both, so that's correct. And you want to decrease the amount over here, so we're only selling it to people from age 18 to, let's say, 45. Now, as we do that, we decrease the actual element over here. Once we decrease it, we can select what country we want it in. For example, let's go to the United States. Now, as we search the United States, you'll see something very interesting, because the United States as a country is going to be massive. The estimated size is 94.6 to 111 million. That is huge. So we don't want that big. So we're going to decrease it. So we're going to go only in New York City. So as we search for New York, you'll see that New York City is going to come up. So we're going to select New York. And as we select New York, it's going to go from 111 million to 4.3 to 5 million. Now we want to decrease this even further. So we're going to zoom in a little bit more and decrease the actual element over here. So we're going to focus on decreasing the circle, the radius. And as we decrease it, what happens is something quite interesting. You actually decrease the estimated size. So let's decrease this even more. So we're focusing only on 17-kilometer radius with a 3.1 million. If you want to move this, we can move this and drop a pin wherever we want. Once we're happy with this, we're going to save the actual audience. After saving the audience, we're going to go and actually select who we want. We want people with interest in higher education, loans, development. So this is a target audience they're focusing on. After we've done that, we're going to go and check the duration of how long we want to run it. We can run it for as many days as we want. Now, the time we increase the number of days, the budget is going to increase as well. And that is something I want to show you guys on the right side over here. We will get the estimated results that is going to be given over here. So if we increase the price margin over here, so let's say we're going to go for 500,000. So as we do that, we're going to see that the actual element over here increases 227,000 centers that they're going to see this particular ad. They're going to get 2.5 thousand views. So but this is quite huge, guys. We're going to decrease this amount a little bit. So let's go to 50,000. I think 50,000 is a reasonable amount, and we can get a lot of estimates over here. So now if you want to manually change this, you can easily change this and decrease this. And as you decrease it, you can clearly see what the change in the difference is going to be. Now, once we do that, and once we select this element over here, we're going to scroll down and we're going to see something much more where the placement is going to be for this particular product. Now we want to choose this is going to be on Facebook, on Instagram, on the Messenger. We want to know pixel, metapixel, how we want to get paid for it. So all this element is available. Please make sure, guys, you have a payment method that is actually connected over here, which we have done. So we're always going to keep ourselves in the right methodology, in the right place, so we ensure we get as much possible attraction as we can. And once we use ChatGPT and get the right description, it's going to rank us. And whenever someone searches for this particular product on Google, our page is going to come right on the top. And obviously, once someone clicks it, they're going to be redirected to our page on Shopify, and they can buy the product from Shopify. It is that simple, straightforward, and easy, guys. Now, if you got any questions whatsoever, if you need any clarification, you can always ask me in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. If you have not subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.